You heard it right, Solana has debuted their new flagship Android phone for Web3, and this really could be a game changer. Before we jump into the video, please be sure to subscribe and click that little notification bell to get notified straight away when I upload with the latest and exciting news of the crypto world. Solana Mobile, a subsidiary of Solana Labs, introduced Saga, a flagship Android mobile phone, with unique functionality and features tightly integrated with the Solana blockchain, making it easy and secure to transact in Web3 and manage digital assets, such as tokens and NFTs. The Saga is set to be shipping out to customers early Q1 2023 with not the cheapest of price tags sitting at an estimate of $1,000. One of the main reasons Solana has done this is because they say that currently the only way to access Web3 fully is via desktop, hence the creation of the Solana mobile stack. So, what's the Solana mobile stack, you ask? Well, it is a crypto layer built on Android to make the mobile Web3 user experience seamless. Visualized through their new flagship, the Solana Saga. Here are the initial features of the Solana Mobile Stack SDK. Mobile Wallet Adapter. A protocol for connecting web apps and native Android apps to wallets on mobile devices. The open-source protocol is designed to support all mobile platforms, not just Android, and can work with wallet apps providing signing services to apps running remotely, such as other mobile devices, and on desktop or laptop computers. Another feature is the Seed Vault. The Seed Vault has a secure environment built into a mobile device that keeps private keys, seed phrases and secrets separated from the application layer yet still capable of interacting with apps running on the device or in a mobile browser. Seed Vault accesses the highest privileged security environment available on a device, from secure operating modes of the processor to dedicated secure elements, which enables a secure transaction signing experience through UI components built into Android. One more feature of the Solana mobile stack is Solana Pay. So, Solana Pay is a decentralized payments rail on Solana, is built into Solana mobile stack, providing wallet apps the ability to use the system features of Android devices to capture Solana Pay URLs via QR codes, NFC taps, messages, and web browser interactions to launch Solana Pay requests. In addition, instant virtual card issuance will allow users to make contactless-based mobile payments backed by their self-custodied funds via traditional payment rails at tens of millions of merchants across the globe. Additionally, Solana Dapp Store is a new app distribution system on Android for decentralized apps. The Solana Dapp Store will provide a distribution channel for apps that want to establish direct relationships with their customers, allowing them to transact without platform fees. The Solana Dapp Store will coexist with Google Play on devices, providing access to Web 2 and Web 3 apps. So, how does a Dapp Store work? The decentralized app store is a platform where users can buy and sell applications without the need for a third party. The first decentralized app store was created in 2014 by Ethereum co-founder, Vitalik Buterin. It was built as an open marketplace of applications called dApps or decentralized applications. This type of app store is not owned by any single entity, it's completely P2P, peer-to-peer, and decentralized, which means there are no intermediaries between the buyers and sellers. This means that there are no fees for listing your application on the Dapp Store, and you will get 100% of the revenue from your application sale. Now, there is some clear benefits of a decentralized app store, we'll cover some now. The decentralized app store is a platform that offers mobile applications without the need for an intermediary. This means that the App Store has no central server and no single point of failure. Decentralized app stores are a new way to distribute apps, giving developers more control over their content, which in turn gives them more opportunities to earn revenue. This is because the developers set their own prices on these platforms, and they can also choose how they want to monetize their apps, meaning that they can choose from ads, in-app purchases, or a combination of both. So, those were some of the benefits. Let's cover some drawbacks of a decentralized app store. Decentralized app stores have a lot of benefits in terms of security and privacy. But they also have some drawbacks. The biggest one is the lack of a centralized store to search for apps. This means you might miss out on some great apps that you would never find otherwise because they are not well-known or popular enough to be on the search engine's radar yet. In addition, decentralized app stores are not as easy to use as centralized ones. They require users to download and install an entirely new application before they can use it, which can be difficult for people who don't know what they're doing or who don't want their data tracked by a third party. However, the Solana mobile stack and Solana dApp Store open up unexplored opportunities for developers to create new and better experiences. A few possibilities could be: minting an NFT anywhere, anytime is now a reality because secure transactions on a phone can be easily authorized thanks to the secure partition between a user's keys and the software and hardware levels of a phone. Individuals can transact for goods and services with their securely held digital assets across millions of traditional contactless terminals as well as the growing decentralized Solana Pay payments network. Play Web3 games on Solana from anywhere, and keep funds safe and secure with Seed Vault. Users can now manage trading risk while on the go more easily and effectively thanks to an improved user experience possible with native DeFi dApps. Consumers can participate in token-gated mobile commerce experiences based on their digital assets and the secure communications between a wallet, Seed Vault, and a dApp. Creators and developers can establish direct relationships with users through their dApps without intermediaries collecting data and extracting fees thanks to the distribution of the Solana dApp Store. Now, on a side note, I want to share this quote with you from one of the co-founders of Solana. Let me know what you think about it in the comments section below. Anatoly Yakovenko, co-founder of Solana, said, "Almost 7 billion people use smartphones around the world and more than 100 million people hold digital assets, and both of those numbers will continue to grow. The global population is steadily increasing and the number of smartphone users is ever growing. There are over 5.22 billion smartphone users in the world, representing 66% of the global population. The population of users grew by 93 million in 2020 with an annual growth rate of 1.8%. As for mobile subscriptions, the number has exceeded 6 billion while the number of new smartphones used daily is more than 1 million. There are many reasons for this rapid increase in smartphone usage: the proliferation of mobile phones, cost reduction, more affordable data plans, and improved battery life among others. An estimated 106 million people worldwide now use cryptocurrency exchanges, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, according to 2021 data from the cryptocurrency exchange Crypto.com. Raj Gokal, also the co-founder of Solana, said, "We chose the Saga name because the story of crypto is still being written. This is the next chapter of this narrative. And we believe opening up crypto to mobile will lead to greater adoption, better understanding, and more opportunities." It seems the Solana team is at the beginning of a newly found race attempting to intertwine technologies to present a more user-friendly experience in the Web3 world. Comment down below what you think. Thanks for watching. If you got this far, don't forget to like, subscribe and ring that lit notification bell for in-depth similar daily content. It would be greatly appreciated, since we're just starting out on this channel. See you in the next video.